English Yarn Cube.
Lesson 5. Planet Earth. Volcanoes. Have you ever seen a real volcano? Hot rock from the mantle layer can creep up through cracks in the crust and escape onto the land as a volcano. This volcano is erupting. The hot rocks that escape are called lava. The orange liquid is melted rocks and metals and is called magma. Volcanoes erupt in different ways. Violent eruptions, flying ash and gas high into the sky. Sometimes volcanoes throw out lumps of hot, sticky lava. Some volcanoes spray lava from a long crack in the ground. Those are active volcanoes. There are also inactive volcanoes in the world too. And there are volcanoes under the sea as well. People in Hawaii think that the god of fire lives in a volcano. Now, do you know more about volcanoes? So, let's listen and repeat the new words. Volcano. Erupt. Eruption. Creep up. Cracks. Escape. Lava. Violent. Ash. Sticky. Spray. Active. Inactive. Hawaii. Quick quiz. What is this volcano doing? Right, it is erupting. Are there volcanoes under the sea? Yes, there are. Now, let's sing our song today.
Here we go. Let's sing a song. Do 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 do, and learn about the world. Do 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 do. Volcanoes erupt. Volcanoes erupt. Volcanoes erupt. Boom boom boom. Magma is inside. Magma is inside. Magma is inside the volcano. Let's sing a song. Do 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 do, and learn about the world. Do 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 do. Lava flows outside. Lava flows outside. Lava flows outside. Outside the volcano. Lava is cold. Lava is cold. Lava is cold. Brr, brr, brr. What? is hot? Oh, you're right.
That is the end of Lesson 5, Volcanoes. Remember to learn the vocabulary and the song about volcanoes. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.